Hi everyone, this is Sinyoung from Lémore Beauty. Welcome to our Gua Sha facial massage with spoon for double chin, sagging jowls, and turkey neck. No Gua Sha tool needed. Look younger with the spoon face massage. Let's begin. First, prep your clean skin with your favorite facial oil, serum, moisturizer, or cream. With a clean spoon, we're going to do 2 swipes per section. We're going to start with a nice neck and jowl lift here, placing your hand for leverage like so, and with your spoon, we're going to lift up like this. Wiggle to release tension. One more. And the side next to it. So, one more. Release. Now we'll do the same thing on the other side here. Your hand for leverage. Lift up. Wiggle to release. One more. Release. We'll do the side next to it. The second. Release. Now we're going to do the center of our neck here, like this. Lifting up. Release. One more. Release. Now we're going to do a lymphatic drainage toward your collarbone and to the side twice each. Like so. 1, 2. And the side. 1, 2. Switch. Same thing here toward your collarbone. Like this. And to the side. Release. Now we're going to use this side of your spoon for under the chin here. Like this. Like so. And at the edge, wiggle for acupressure, like so. One more, like so. Wiggle to release. Switch, same thing on the other side here, like this. One more. Release. Now we're going to do a nice jowl and cheek lift here, starting in inner, middle, and outer layer, like this. Lifting up and sweep upwards, like so. Like this, sweeping upwards. And the middle layer here, like this. Sweep upwards. Second one here. And the third one, like so. Lifting all the way up, like this. Release. Switch. We'll do the same thing. The inner layer, like so. This, sweeping up. So. The middle layer, like this. And the outer layer, lifting all the way up here. Release. Now we're going to do my favorite ultimate facelift here in bottom, middle, and top layer, like this. Lifting all the way up. One more, like so. And then the middle layer, all the way up. Second. And then the top layer, like this. Release. Switch. We'll do the same thing in bottom, middle, and top layer, like this. 1, 2. The middle layer. So, and the top layer. Like so. Release. Now we're going to do a bonus facial exercise to tighten and tone your skin. We're going to hold the side of your spoon with your lips, not your teeth, like so, and we're going to pulse our lip corners upwards. Release. We're going to pop our face and tap all over our face, our neck, our chest, and our shoulders, like this. Release. Now we're going to do a nice neck stretch here, like this. Just coming back to your posture, your breath. Switch. Same thing on the other side here. Release. Yay! Great job, you're amazing. Do this 1 to 2 times per day for 7 days and you will notice positive changes. Others will notice too. As always, consistency equals results. You will see even more results when you have fun and enjoy yourself while doing this. Here's my #1 tip to prevent double chin, sagging jowls, and turkey neck. Bring awareness to your posture throughout the day. Nice straight spine, shoulders back and down, chest lifting, your chin level to the ground, gentle upward smile on your face throughout the day. If you enjoyed this video, you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and join our membership. I'd love to hear your feedback. If you have any video requests or questions, let me know in the comments below. You can find all of my current favorite products, including our merch, in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and following along. Stay hydrated, my beautiful Lémore lovelies. Bye bye.